Hey y'all, Ron here. This is Christmas morning, and we are on the snap string. Oh yeah. What I'm going to do right now is I already did all the prep. We're making some Christmas ham gravy, and what I done was I cooked a picnic ham. We put pineapple, fresh pineapple, cherry Coke, and brown sugar. Let that cook. Let all the drippings come in. We took the drippings, put it in a bowl. I got a strainer and I strained all the pulp out of it and just got the drippings. And we got that boiling now. Well, it's fixing to boil. And what I done, I put some cinnamon, some salt and pepper, sage, garlic and onion powder, and boy, I tasted that. Man, that stuff is good. It's kind of like a Christmassy sweet and sour sauce. But all I got left to do now is let that heat up enough to put in my cornstarch concoction, and send it to you. So we're letting that boil, and yes sir, yes ma'am. It's I guess I'm saying sir because most of my viewers seem to be men. I'm starting to get a small group of women watching, but I need a little bit of everybody. So hey, if you're wanting to see somebody grow on this thing from nothing, and that's where I started, nothing on here, and into something, maybe something great, and you all can be part of the initial reviews that gets me launched into something. But yeah, I even noticed that watching the analytics, I'm starting to even get some of the younger people on here too. So it's exciting. It's almost ready to boil. Well, hi, Des. You want to be part of the YouTube crowd?
Yeah.
Here on the snap string?
What you making?
I'm making Christmas gravy.
Oh, that sounds so good.
Oh yeah, Christmas ham gravy. Mm-hmm. Let's slap your mom in the mouth good.
Yeah.
You look like that was a good thing to do or something. I'm just playing. You got to know her ma. My little puppy's down here watching too. And she likes to be involved. She thinks she's a human, actually. Don't you, girl? Yes, your dad. She was staring me down. You're going to give me some of that when you're finished, right? Okay, it's starting to boil. All right, let's do it. There we go. It's already starting to thicken. There you go, y'all. So if you enjoyed what you were seeing, comment, like, subscribe, share, and Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.